how you can get books on your Kindle? Now you bought the device and you love it, but how to get books? How to get free books on your Kindle? And can you download the PDFs? All the questions have been answered in this video. Hi there, I'm Manpreet. I make book related videos on this channel. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe, follow me on my social media, and make sure you hit the bell button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And now today's video was something I wanted to make because one, I have been talking a lot about Kindle on this channel lately because it really saved my life. I moved to a new city without my piles of books, and internet connection in Jammu is really bad. I mean, I don't know how people live without such slow and such sad internet here, but I did not have a lot of options when it comes to reading, so I read books on my Kindle and I love it. So I wanted to make a video about a lot of questions that were asked from me because of my previous videos on Kindle devices. So yeah, I'll tell you about 5 ways you can acquire books on your Kindle device. I personally have Kindle Unlimited. I have more videos about it which I'll link down below. If you want to purchase the device, I'll put my affiliate link down below, which I'll get a small commission if you buy from my link. And yeah, I have this Kindle Paperwhite. I love it. And now let's talk about the 5 ways. Number one, and the most boring way, is to actually go to Amazon.in and buy the book. Pick up the book, whatever you want to buy, and then just click buy. And instead of buying the paperback and giving your address, you will actually, buy the ebook. And that is the simplest way, but that is also one of the most expensive ways available with a Kindle device. Although I have to mention that one of the benefits of reading on a Kindle device is that paperbacks are really expensive, especially if you are reading books that are launched in foreign countries and not launched officially in India, or if you are reading self-help non-fiction. This kind of genre is very expensive when it comes to paperbacks in India, but the prices are almost the half in ebook format, and this is true for all the books. So I think this is again something that, if you buy the device, you do spend a chunk of money in the beginning, but then you keep saving on each book, which makes it worth it. Number two way is buying the Kindle Unlimited subscription. Now, I would not mention the price here. I'll put it in the description because I always mess it up. But it's around 129 to 199. I'm giving a range because I always say it wrong. But once you put it on your credit card every month, this amount is deducted, and Kindle Unlimited subscription gives you access to thousands and thousands of books that you can read for free. Technically, you paid a certain amount, you paid the subscription amount, just like how library subscription works, but then the books are free. So you can use this method. I have read so many books. Ashwin Sanghi books are available there. Harry Potter series, I think, is available. There are so many books in so many languages. Harry Potter in French is available, which I have been reading myself. So you can read all of these books on Kindle Unlimited, and you can continue discovering more books here, and you do not have to pay for every single book because you paid for the subscription. So that is one of my favorite ways on how to read on my Kindle device. Number three way is Prime reading. Now, most of the people are using Prime Video, right? And with that subscription, with that yearly subscription, which I think is like 999 rupees, which most of the people in metro cities already have because it also provides faster shipping. With that subscription, there are a lot of books, a lot of collection that is available under Prime reading, so you can get access to that collection as well. I recently made a video about the books that I have on my Kindle, and I did mention a couple of books that I love to have on my Kindle that I got from Prime reading, so you can check it out as well. I'll link it down below. Another super amazing way is to actually get the books for free. Now, how that happens is that most of the classics are in public domain, and that means that those classics are basically free. Now, if you go to Amazon.in and look for those classics, they are actually available for free. So you can just download them for free and send it to your Kindle device, which once you set it up, it's very simple. You have to click a button and the book is then on your Kindle device, which you can read anytime. I have downloaded more than 15 classics that I have now that I can read anytime, anywhere I want. And I just love this method as well because you don't have to pay for the classics that are actually available for free, which, by the way, if you have paperbacks, you always do that because then there's the cost of the paper, the printing cost. That's why classics are chargeable in the paperback format, but they are free in the ebook format. And lastly, coming to the most asked question, which is about can you read PDFs? Because I feel like if you are a student, a lot of my audience is the group of people who are currently studying or doing part-time study or something, and you might want to know if you can download your big PDF books and read from that, which I will recommend, because reading on this device is actually super easy and it does not strain your eyes. And if I had this during my college time, because our curriculum was completely changed and we had to read everything online, but reading on the computer was so tough, and this device would have made my life easier and my eyes would have thanked me. But that didn't happen for me, but it could happen for you. So yes, the answer is yes, that you can download PDFs on your Kindle device. You basically, there's an email ID that is associated with your Kindle device. You can look it up and you can see in your setting and in your profile section on this device, and then you can actually mail the PDF to yourself as a normal email, and the PDF will then come to your device. It's that simple. You just have to send an email. You have to just send the PDF to your Kindle email, and it is that simple. So yes, that is possible. So yes, you can do it. And these are the 5 ways in which you can acquire books on your Kindle device, which I highly recommend because it's something that I have been loving so far. And if you want to buy it, affiliate link is down below in the description. And if you have any other questions regarding Kindle, does it cause eye strain? I don't think so. The feeling, Kindle Paperwhite feeling, is just very natural and very simple, so I really like it. So yeah, if you have any other questions, just comment down below. You guys know that I love to answer the questions, so I will reply to every comment that I get. So that's something I always do. And thank you so much for watching this video. This is Manvi signing off. I'll be back with another video very soon.